put it, but it's recording now.
No.
Actually, we do have too much more time. We only have about 5 minutes before we have to send, if I send in new link.
Yeah, all right.
But the NAS is basically, NAS stands for Network Attached Storage, NAS.
No, I was asking for an example.
It's basically a hard drive that you install, like an external hard drive, but rather than plugging up directly to your computer, you hook it up onto your network. All right, so it's like a hard drive that exists on your network that you can store files to, basically.
Okay.
All right. Make sense?
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
All right. What you can always do is go online, do a Google search for NAS, go to Amazon, see what options they have, and you can get an idea. You can watch some videos about them. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. So we're currently looking at Kendall's brochure. Okay. So that's the front. Oh, and Kendall, you sent me the PDF. Let me see if it'll open up in Photoshop. 1 second now.
Oh, you wanted to send you the PSD file?
Well, the PSD would allow me to see the layers because in the last time you had Kendall, you had a slight issue with your text layers.
Oh, I forgot the PSD.
Huh? You
I have to
forgot
send
about
it, but yeah, it's forget about it.
Okay, but did you solve the issue with your text layers though?
Yeah, fix it.
Okay, so you basically the line height, right?
Yeah.
Or what we call the tracking. Hold on, let me. Lead in, not tracking. Lead in. Tracking is this one. Yeah. All right. So you got that. So let's just look at it. So I don't need to look at the layers. The only thing though, also you had saved your front and your back in 2 groups within the same file. So when you export the brochure, it only exports what was visible, which is the front of the brochure, so not the inside as well. Yeah. But that's okay. The font already looks more evenly spaced. It looks like auto setting you use, right? For the leading, the line height, the line spacing.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. That looks better. You can see it breathes better, right? Okay. Now that is the business card that's supposed to be matching it.
Yeah.
What do you guys think though? You think that's good for a match?
Yeah, I like it. I like the orange and white, and I like the colors, the orange, white, and the deep blue.
Okay. My concern with that is not let me see that.
You don't write phone properly.
You know what?
The phone number, text.
Actually, I don't even think PHO is supposed to be there. It's just supposed to be the number because you have the icon, the telephone icon there. Okay, so you added the lead. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, the PHO, you have the phone icon there, so you could actually remove that and just put in the number. All right. And
Yes,
again,
be honest with you, I didn't say it's not be honest.
oh, you didn't see it? All right, cool. But it's not an issue, man. It's just remove. And one other thing though, no, it's not a design issue. It's just a note for your business cards in general. When you design that card, did you imagine that you were designing it for? Okay, we have less than a minute, guys. So we're gonna come back. It's gonna call off in a little while. We're gonna come back. I'll send you a new link, and you just reconnect. Right in about 2 minutes. I'm gonna get a glass of water. I suggest you do the same. Okay. And we'll come back in. All right.
Yeah.